What's up guys, my name is Wale. Thanks for joining us for the second episode of our Lagos to Manhattan series. You can check out the first episode in the link below, where we talked about the need for accurate 3D mapping for Lagos Island, using Manhattan as our model. I am pleased to inform you that we have made considerable progress in achieving this goal. There have been some significant improvements to Google Maps that have made it easier to acquire data of this area, most significant of which is the introduction of Street View in the middle of 2017. This feature provides scrollable street level pictures of most areas of the island, What have we done so far? We have been able to map Tafawa Balewa Square section of Lagos Island, and we learned a few new tricks in the process. Our research into modern techniques of urban planning introduced us to the use of drones as an effective tool for area mapping. This led us to acquire the DJI Mavic Pro, which is arguably the best commercial drone in the market today. Expect a review and comments on the Mavic Pro in upcoming episodes soon to show. On the software side of things, we used Android apps from DJI and Drone Deploy to capture aerial photos and 3D maps respectively that are much clearer and of course more current than Google Maps. We'll also be taking a closer look at these apps along with the process we use in the mapping in the third installment of this series. I'm happy to say the results have been quite satisfactory, even though we have had some challenges along the way, as I'll mention to you shortly. There are definitely more room for improvement. Now, where do we go from here? We still have not achieved our goal of mapping the entire Lagos Island using this technique. In our attempts to map the commercial districts of Lagos along Marina, we lost our drone. Yep. The drone vanished into the high-rise, most likely due to signal interference from the communication masts that are commonly found on top of these buildings. The good news, however, is that we now know it's possible to create detailed maps using this method, and I've since replaced the missing drone, so we're ready to fly the next mission in the coming weeks. We obviously have to make some adjustments to our flight plan. The most important tip we have learned about mapping in high-rise and high-altitude areas is that it's best to take off from the top of a high-rise building so that you can always have a clear line of sight between the drone and the remote control. In our next mission, we'll be taking you outside to be part of the creative process of mapping the marina axis of Lagos Island. As I mentioned earlier, we'll be setting up on the rooftop of one of the high-rises in the area, which may be quite difficult to access. So, if by any chance someone watching this happens to work on the 16th floor of any of the high-rise buildings, please drop a line in the comment below or send me an email at techindustryng@gmail.com so we can discuss further. This still remains a social project, and you can start by sharing this video to your friends, families, and colleagues who live or work in this area, or anyone who may be interested in making some kind of contribution towards the urban development of this iconic real estate we currently fondly call Eko. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button to receive notifications of more upcoming videos in this series, as well as other groundbreaking news in the technology industry. Peace.